Imagine a future where you no longer worry about what to wear on a date, how to respond to messages, or even what to say during a voice call. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize love and dating in ways we can barely imagine today. From hyper-realistic robots as partners to AI coaches guiding every romantic move, the future of love is digital, dynamic, and deeply transformative. Let's explore how AI will shape our romantic futures. In the future, humanoid robots will have the ability to mimic human emotions with stunning accuracy. Equipped with advanced AI, they will detect your mood, respond with empathy, and provide constant emotional support. These robots will not just talk, they will express emotions through facial expressions, tone of voice, and gestures. But the real question remains, can we truly fall in love with a machine, or are we simply projecting our own emotions onto them? If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The demand for AI-powered romantic companions will create a multi-billion-dollar industry. In the near future, purchasing a romantic robot will be as simple as selecting a new smartphone. Companies will offer customizable AI partners designed to meet both emotional and physical needs. These robots will be programmed to evolve over time, adapting to their owner's preferences and personality. But will this innovation redefine human connection, or will it distance us from real emotions? Imagine a robot that remembers your favorite places, surprises you on anniversaries, and understands your emotions better than any human. Future AI robots will analyze your behavior, social media activity, and conversations to become the perfect partner. These machines will evolve with you, creating a seamless and personalized relationship. Will this level of customization enhance relationships, or will it lead to dependency on artificial affection? As AI-powered partners become more sophisticated, some people may opt for robots over human relationships. Unlike human partners, AI robots will not argue, cheat, or disappoint. They will be programmed for loyalty, understanding, and perfect companionship. However, if AI replaces human relationships, will society face a decline in real emotional connections? And more importantly, can a programmed machine ever replace the unpredictable beauty of human love? AI chatbots will become the ultimate social coaches, helping people improve their dating conversations in real time. With the ability to analyze responses, detect emotions, and provide suggestions, chatbots will enhance confidence and social skills. They will guide users through flirting, handling rejection, and creating meaningful conversations. But will relying on AI to master human interaction make dating more artificial? Future dating apps will integrate AI chatbots that craft the perfect responses based on tone analysis and user preferences. These chatbots will suggest witty and charming replies, ensuring smooth and engaging conversations. But if AI takes over messaging, will authenticity in dating be compromised? Will people date based on AI-generated personalities rather than genuine human interactions? AI dating coaches will be available anytime, offering personalized advice on body language, conversation starters, and even handling rejection. Through continuous learning, these AI-powered assistants will adapt to each user's dating patterns, providing tailor-made coaching sessions. But if AI guides every aspect of dating, will humans lose the ability to navigate relationships naturally? Advanced AI will go beyond coaching and actively take over conversations. From texting to voice calls, AI will manage interactions to maximize success rates in dating. Users will be able to let AI handle introductions, scheduling dates, and even flirting on their behalf. But will this lead to more successful relationships, or will it create a world where no one truly knows who they are talking to? AI-powered fashion assistants will revolutionize personal styling, ensuring users always present their best selves. By analyzing current trends, personal preferences, and event settings, AI will recommend ideal outfits tailored to an individual's style and personality. These assistants will also provide real-time feedback, helping people dress with confidence for any occasion. But as AI dictates fashion choices, will personal expression be lost in favor of algorithmically optimized looks? AI will scan social media activity to provide personalized styling advice, suggesting hairstyles, outfits, and accessories based on one's digital presence. By learning from user interactions and engagement metrics, AI will curate a look optimized for attraction. This raises the question, Will AI-generated fashion choices enhance confidence or create unrealistic beauty standards based on algorithms? AI will not only assist with styling, but also prepare users mentally for their dates. These systems will offer topic suggestions, simulate conversations, and provide feedback on body language, ensuring users enter their dates feeling prepared and confident. Will this create a more polished and engaging dating experience? Or will it remove the spontaneity and authenticity of real interactions? AI-driven digital avatars will showcase potential style enhancements by simulating different outfits, haircuts, and accessories. Users will be able to preview new looks before making real-world changes, giving them greater control over their self-image. Will this lead to a society where people chase perfection through digital enhancements? Or will it empower users to feel more confident in their physical appearance? AI will analyze vast amounts of data to predict compatibility between potential partners. By evaluating behavioral patterns, interests, and communication styles, these algorithms will suggest ideal matches with unparalleled accuracy. Will this lead to more meaningful connections, or will people become overly reliant on AI to determine their romantic future? Before meeting in person, AI-driven virtual dates will allow users to interact through avatars, creating immersive experiences that foster deeper connections. These simulated interactions will help people gauge compatibility before committing to a real-world meeting. But will this make dating more efficient, or will it detach people from genuine human emotions? AI will handle every aspect of date planning, from selecting the ideal location to generating personalized conversation starters. By analyzing preferences, weather, and current trends, AI will create perfectly curated date experiences. Will this enhance romance, or will it take away the excitement of spontaneity in dating? AI will revolutionize online dating safety by detecting and eliminating fake profiles. Advanced verification methods, including biometric scanning and behavioral pattern analysis, will ensure authenticity in online dating spaces. Will this create a more trustworthy dating environment, or will it introduce new ethical concerns regarding digital privacy? The integration of AI into romance raises ethical concerns regarding authenticity, autonomy, and emotional manipulation. If AI plays a central role in shaping romantic relationships, will people lose their ability to form genuine connections? These dilemmas will redefine the boundaries of human-AI relationships. AI-assisted dating may create unrealistic expectations about relationships. With AI-curated partners and flawless communication tools, people might struggle to accept the imperfections inherent in human interactions. Will this drive deeper dissatisfaction with real-world dating experiences? As AI becomes an integral part of romance, legal questions will arise. Who is responsible if AI advice leads to emotional distress or failed relationships? Future legal systems may need to address the liabilities of AI-driven matchmaking and romantic coaching. AI-driven dating platforms will collect vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and surveillance. How much control will users have over their intimate digital footprints? As AI becomes more embedded in romance, ensuring data security will become a paramount issue. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.